You can control what each user does with the takes. First of all, the system enables access rights fine-tuning. You can fully deny access, assign read-only privileges, or grant full access to every section management. To set privileges for all sections at once, select Minimum, View, or Maximum using a switch in the first line of the Set All Privileges For option. You can also view details about all user actions in the system on the User page. Each System section page contains general info on who has changed this page and when and what was changed. For example, who has changed certain user data, or who has edited Konstantin's character card. TheTakes provides all the functionality you need to manage and control your project.